festive season was here and our focus became finding an affordable campsite near a town or market that would give us good opportunity to sell some products while being able to motivate the members of the community to register as stem cell donors. We were planning on sticking around for a while, so we made a quick stop at a grocery shop, as moving Betsy around can be costly when running her own diesel. Howick is possibly the location of the first crewed flight in the world. Evidence exists that a John Goodman household flew a self-made glider in 1871 and again in 1875 on the outskirts of Howick, close to Karkloof, which was in the vicinity of our next stopover.
The town is the location of Howick Falls, a large waterfall that occurs when the Anemia River falls 95 meters over Dollarite Cliffs on its way to the Indian Ocean.
At this stage in the game, we were pretty broke and couldn't go to see it, but instead headed over to the Bushwillow Caravan Park. We've just arrived at the Bushwillow Caravan Park in Howick, and it looks to be an amazing campsite. Already met some campers that actually follow the YouTube channel, so they recognize the place, which was pretty cool. It's our first morning waking up in Howick. Absolutely awesome campsite, and we're about to head off to the Karkloof Farmers Market, where we'll do our first stem cell donor recruitment drive in Howick. We'll be back by this afternoon. It looks like we'll be spending at least 2 or 3 weeks here and settle in for the festive season. We wanted to be off the coastline because it gets very busy. The campsite is quite affordable, and we'd like to take a break from social media. So this is going to be the perfect spot to explore the hiking trails and see what the area has to offer. Kim from the Karkloof Farmers Market gave us a wonderful spot.
We managed to find 3 youngsters in the crowd, all of them truly happy to sign up as potential lifesavers.
We made some good sales, and on the way back to the campsite we noticed an interesting looking spot. It's been raining for about 3 days. It's Sunday afternoon now, and it looks like the campsite's all cleared out. So we've got the whole campsite to ourselves, which is pretty awesome. I met some amazing people here. Terry and his friends apparently been following the Building Better YouTube videos for quite some time. They supported Yolandi by buying some products. We decided to head off to Clarence by the end of the week, and we'll miss some of Howick. And that's about 300 kilometers onwards. We were going to stay here for the whole of December, but realized that the age demographic in Howick doesn't really allow us to sign up a lot of stem cell donors. We only sign up from ages of 16 to 45, and it looks like most people here are retired. So Clarence is going to be quite busy throughout the festive season, and we think that might be a good opportunity to sign up quite a lot of people. But for now, for this week, we'll make the best of this campsite and check out our hike, hopefully in the morning hours. That's right, in those forests. Also, coincidentally, my dad is popping over tomorrow. He came over to Howick to meet up with a friend. Didn't even know we were going to be here, which is pretty cool. The Karkloof market went great, and the campsite is just the best campsite that I think we've been at. So very, very cool one. Also met the owners, and Erwin told me that he's been here his whole life. Actually, third generation on this farm. We are having a bit of a challenge to keep things dry though. We've got all of our products stacked up in the gazebo. Gazebo blew over with the wind the other day. Big branch stuck through the cover. My dad arrived, and we could spend some quality time with beautiful sights and sound in calm and cool weather.
By the next morning, the rain cleared up and we could check out the forest trail.
There are several waterfalls in and around town. All of them have claimed lives. going to spend another 2 days here in Howick. Yolandi is busy making stock for a local market happening in Clarence on Saturday. I am trying to network with the community over on that side to try and arrange some stem cell donor recruitment drives. At this stage, we also joined up with the innovative tourism and trade mapping platform that gives campsites, businesses and attractions an opportunity to list their establishments. It provides us with a small incentive for members who choose to join. Check out our listings on Listable by following the link in the description. You can swim in these dams, which is pretty cool. We are just about to hit the road towards Clarence. It's 300 k's. I don't think we're going to make it today because it's quite late already. We're here to finish up some stock, jewelry and dashboard covers. 7:55 now, so I think we're going to make it halfway and then pull over at perhaps the Royal Natal National Park. Looks to be a beautiful spot. Don't really want to miss it. It's got the Tugela Gorge hike on it, but what I'm thinking is it's a 7 to 8 hour hike. Might be best to backtrack from Clarence and do the hike after the busy season. It's December now and we've got a market and a stem cell drive in Clarence in 2 days time. Yeah, gotta start heading that way.
The Matches on the Map project is in support of the South African Bone Marrow Registry and the Fanconi Cancer Foundation.
And backed by our Patreon members and official partners. Before heading out of town, we could make a couple of last stops, check out some shops and meet up with my dad, who at that stage was going through chemo but was still going strong. We left Howick, headed around the Drakensberg mountain range and found ourselves in the Free State province by sunset.
Support our channel by liking and subscribing, and please consider signing up as a stem cell donor by visiting sabmr.co.za or support our initiative by becoming a member on our Patreon page linked in the description.